Today on DIY, more or less, we are going to assemble the Sekey garden cart. And this is going to be a very easy to follow, step by step. This is not a difficult cart. From what I can see, this cart should assemble pretty easily. And since it's already been unboxed, let's get started. All right, this is the base plate, and that's where we get started. This will be the front with the single, and here's the back with the two here. To begin with, they have a complete hardware set, which includes something called a thrust bearing. I'm not familiar with the thrust bearing, but it is a washer, and then it is a bearing that fits between two flat washers. So that goes on first, followed by the front axle. You'll notice that the front axle only has one hole in the middle, and then it is followed by a washer and a lock nut. There you go, step one, down. The next piece we'll be assembling is the front steering assembly. And, that's interesting. I'm not sure exactly what it's all about. But, but maybe that's supposed to stay on there. Not sure. I'm going to leave it on there for now. All right, I'm going to be using a ratchet for this. And this is a 17mm. And pretty simple. Again, you got a lock nut on this bolt. Again, this limiter needs to face down. No washers on the steering assembly side. Washers will go on the back side with the nut. Step two, done. Okay, we are ready for step three, which is the tire assembly. All right, these go on only one way, and you know the valve is going to be sticking outward. All right. Step three, done. All right, we are ready for step four, and it is time to flip the cart over onto its wheels and put on the sides. Oh, yeah, we're finished with step four. And we are ready for step five. So I'm back to my cordless. Help make this work a little bit better. Here is the pull rod, and it's just going to take one bolt that's squared off at the head, and let's see, let's make sure we have this turned correctly. And then it has a washer and a nut on the other side. So this assembly should go pretty easily. Make sure that square head fits in properly, and you get the washer. And then the nut, this is a 1/2 inch, I believe. Seems like we're kind of oscillating back between SAE and metric. All right. All right. Step five, done. Okay, we are now at the sixth and final step, and it is assembling the handle. Now here's just a quick inside tip. This handle, as you can see, it has a a hitch. This actually can go on a hitch, and you can use this pin, which we're going to use to assemble this handle, but you can use this behind your lawn tractor, or obviously not behind your vehicle, but yeah, so you can pull this with your lawn equipment if you've got that available to you. So, all right, back to putting on the handle. Let's just slide that in there. This is an easy pin, slides through, and you are finished. Now, the only last item that they provide you is a lock or a holder to hold your arm up. So, and it just clips on the top of this bar. So let me put that down here. It just clips on the top of this bar, and there you go. So that was it. I hope this video was informative and helps you make a decision whether or not this cart is something that you'd want to add to your home and garden. So if it is, good luck with it. It looks like it's going to be good for us, and enjoyed making this video for you. If you wouldn't mind, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll continue to make these as opportunities come about. We look forward to our next video. Take care.